Naikabit ko na ang cover ng table. Yan.
May sarili siyang may cup
Oh my God, this is your beauty room.
Ito yung aking Santa Claus na may mga kasamang baby.
So here the shampoo station.
May Santa Claus akong chef. Yan, si
This
chef.
one's my favorite with your short
Si chef.
hair. You look like 16 years old. Oh, when you got your whites.
Si Butchukoy. Ayan, si Butchukoy.
Oh, wow. From all over the world, no? There's Sassy. Wow. How much do you love your... I know
Yan,
how much do you love your
guys.
living room. It's like the Krillon Hotel. Ah, look at that tree.
Yan. Ayan, guys. I-ready ko na ang table ko. Inayos ko na siya
What about this one?
para malapit na ang Pasko. Konti-unti lang ang inaayos ko. Naitayo ko ng Christmas tree. Yan, guys. Naitayo ko na. Nililinis ko na. Ito, kinabit ko na siya.
For love this. Wow, so you love your living room?
Good morning!
Oh, look at the
May
door.
isa-isa po ang ayos ng aking Christmas decor. Yan, guys.
Wow!
Okay, good morning! Nilalagay ko ang Christmas. Maski galing tayo sa sakit, kailangan maging strong.
Can you turn on the light?
Bye-bye! Okay na.